To change your aspect ratio in Adobe Premiere Pro, there's an old way that a lot of people used to do it where you'd go up to sequence and click sequence settings and actually physically change your frame size. But there's a few problems with it. And just to show you real quick, I'll go ahead and do it. We'll go 1080 by 1920. We hit OK. And then you'll notice that we've got these ugly black bars at the top, and our original clip is still in that 1920 by 1080 aspect ratio, which obviously we don't want. There's a lot of manual work behind getting it to look the way you want to. So instead of doing this, we are going to go up to sequence, and we're actually going to scroll all the way down to auto reframe sequence. Whenever you select this, Adobe's going to do all the work for you. So you can choose your new sequence name. I'll go ahead and just leave it. And then you can change your target aspect ratio, where square and vertical are usually used for things like Instagram. But this vertical 9 by 16 is exactly what we'll want to use for short form content like YouTube Shorts and TikTok to get that framing that we want. An additional bonus of using the auto reframe sequence tool is that it gives us the option to use motion tracking, and you can depend that speed if you'd like, or set the default motion tracking. Usually you'll want to nest your clips. It will get rid of any transitions you have, but it will keep your motion adjustments. Then we're going to go ahead and click create. You'll notice it created over here in the left that it created a new sequence for us in our auto reframe sequences area. And then it's perfectly cropped the footage the way we want it to. And an added bonus again is that it's going to actually motion track her and keep her in the center. So if you're making short form content that has got a subject that needs to stay in the center, this is a great tool to use for reframing it and pushing out short form content quick. If you like this tutorial, feel free to subscribe and give it a like for more Premiere tips.